Hi, I'm Marta, and I'm a designer for sustainable innovation. On the 11th of December, I had the chance to make part of my artifice project come true. I called it Paradiso Urbano, in English Urban Paradise. It took place in Casale Garibaldi, a self-managed cultural center in Rome. I was a little bit embarrassed by the whole situation, but I was still very excited to present my project.
Tra 10 minuti dall'altra parte del casale.
Slowly people came in the place of the first part of the event. And I explained them what urban paradise is.
Questo terzo paradiso è l'unione degli opposti. In questo caso specifico gli opposti in questione sono la natura e l'artificio.
I think that giving back importance to our bodies, to our feelings and our practical actions is the best way to generate change. So, I involved participants in artistic performances and artisanal workshops. As icebreaker, I asked Viola Margaglio, spoken word artist, to perform and talk about her relationship with nature and artifice.
Artificio, sostantivo maschile, espediente diretto a ottenere effetti estranei o non consentiti dall'ordine naturale o dall'aspetto immediato delle cose. Sono una delle tante figlie del cemento, ci sono nata, ma non l'ho scelto. Natura, sostantivo femminile. Il fondamento dell'esistenza nella sua configurazione fisica e nel suo divenire biologico in quanto presupposto causativo, principio operante o realtà fenomenica. Nel ventre di madre terra sono morta e sono rinata. Sorelle stelle, fuoco sacro, eccomi. Sono la figlia che trema di vita. Il paradiso mi chiama e a mio modo rispondo. Grazie.
After the performance, Chiara, a volunteer, gave every participant a note I asked to open later. We changed place and went to the forest side of the cultural center, where on the ground I had built the third paradise symbol, with dried leaves. The symbol, reinterpreted by the artist Michelangelo Pistoletto, represents the balance between opposites, in this case nature and artifice. I asked people to go for a meditative walk on the path, explaining them how to do it. Walk on the path, listening to your feet and the feelings of your body, focusing on yourself and anything else. Along the path, when you are in the circle of nature, think about what nature means to you. When do you feel natural? Try to recall feelings or memories that belong to nature. When you are in the circle of artifice, think about when you feel artificial. What does it mean to be artificial for you? And try to recall the moments in which you feel so. In the middle center, you are the balance between the opposites. Without judgments, try to find your way to a union of the two sides. Walk until you feel in peace, then go out of the path and open the note given to you before. The participants were asked to look for something in the park that looked attractive to them and to bring it into the symbol, putting it in a symbolic or formal relationship with other objects. At the end of the whole performance, the participants had built an artistic installation in the center of the third paradise. After that, we formed a circle around the installation and we talked about what we had just experienced.
A volte ti senti anche artificiale nelle relazioni.
Insomma, avere in mente che le proprie piccole azioni hanno comunque una risonanza, una connessione.
Creare significa fare un qualcosa di nuovo, uscire un pochino dallo schema, dal pattern.
At the end of this part, we started the one dedicated to artisanal workshops, participated especially by children, who built seed bombs and birdhouses. The purpose was to give back to the park the artificial objects we created, reinterpreting the role of human artifice, which once more becomes in harmony with nature. I really love the participation in this event. I hope to develop my Artisas project by organizing even bigger events, such as festivals, with several workshops, talks and performances to engage communities in sustainable global change.